Hello everyone, welcome to today's session on the muscular system, which I like to call the movers and shakers of the body. From the silent work of digestion to the powerful flexing of muscles, like in our gym, our muscles are the unsung heroes of everyday action and every heartbeat. Let's take a closer look at the three amazing types of muscles in our body. So we have our muscular system is made up of three main types of muscles: smooth muscle, next is cardiac muscle, and finally skeletal muscle. Each type is designed for a special role, and together they ensure our body functions seamlessly every second of the day, whether we are awake, asleep, running, or resting. Uh, First, let's talk about smooth muscle. Smooth muscles are like silent movers of internal life. Smooth muscle works involuntarily, and that by that we mean that we have no conscious control over it. It is called smooth because under the microscope it does not have the striped appearance seen in other muscle types. These muscles are found in the walls of hollow organs like stomach, intestine, blood vessels, airways, bladder, and reproductive organs. We will talk about the examples later on in this lecture. They help push food through digestive system, and as it is present in the blood vessels, they control blood flow by narrowing or widening blood vessels, and even assist in childbirth by enabling uterine contractions. Now, one interesting fact I should mention here that even if you are hanging upside down, your food would still move toward your stomach and not towards your mouth. And thanks to these smooth muscle contractions called peristalsis. It's a wave-like movement that happens automatically. One of the many things your body does for you without you even noticing. Smooth muscles. Smooth muscles are designed for slow and sustained actions, and they don't tire easily. Let's look at this picture. This is a longitudinal section of the smooth muscle. This is how smooth muscle looks under the microscope. Now coming to the examples, uh, as we have already talked about that smooth muscle is present in the hollow organs in our body. So hollow organs means blood vessels. So the smooth muscle is present in the walls of the blood vessels. It controls the blood pressure and flow, that is vasoconstriction and vasodilation. Digestive tract, esophagus, stomach, intestine, it is present in our alimentary canal, moves food through peristalsis. Respiratory tract, bronchi and bronchioles also contains this smooth muscle. Urinary bladder, which helps in storage and release of urine. It is also present in uterus in females. That is extremely important in labor contractions during childbirth. And obviously, iris of the eye, which controls pupil size, dilation, and constrictions. Other than that, it is also present in male and female reproductive organs involved in various reproductive functions. Next is cardiac muscle. It's the rhythmic core of the heartbeat. Cardiac muscle is unique, found only in the heart, and it has striated appearance but branched structure. And the presence of intercalated discs, which are like special bridges that allow heart cells to beat in perfect coordination. These discs enable the heart to contract as one powerful unit. The heart's muscle cells also have this remarkable ability to generate their own uh, electrical impulses, and thanks to specialized cells in the SA node or sinoatrial node, they are the natural pacemaker of the heart. And uh, we should know some interesting facts here, like our heart beats 1 lakh times a day, pumping around 7,500 liters of blood every single day without ever taking a rest. And to support this non-stop work, cardiac muscle cells are packed with mitochondria. These tiny powerhouses that generate energy make the heart one of the most endurance capable organs in our body. And this is the microscopic view of the cardiac muscle. You can see it is striated in appearance and also branched. Examples obviously as this is a cardiac muscles and it is only found in the heart and nowhere else in the body. So obviously it will be present in the walls of the heart like myocardium and intraventricular septum and papillary muscles. We should now move on to our next segment, that is skeletal muscles. Skeletal muscles, we should call them the architects of voluntary motion, voluntary control. These are muscles which we consciously control for movement. Skeletal muscles are striated in appearance. Here you can see this is a microscopic image of the skeletal muscle. It has a striated appearance, and they're attached to the bones and tendons. They are responsible for like everything from walking to running and lifting to maintaining posture and even smiling and obviously chewing. There are over 600 skeletal muscles in our body. That makes about 40% of our total body weight. And one fun fact here I should mention that the strongest muscle relative to its size is masseter muscle, which is present in our jaw. That is the jaw muscle. It can create a bite force up to 200 pounds. Okay, so let's talk about some common examples of skeletal muscles, which includes biceps brachii, which helps flex the elbow; triceps, which is present in the back of the upper arm. It helps to extend the arm. And next is deltoid. It lifts the arm. It is present in the shoulder. Pectoralis major, chest muscle. Uh, it is the function of pectoralis major is to move the shoulder joint. Then rectus abdominis, which we preferably call abs, right? It is present in the abdomen. It actually helps the bending of the spine. Then comes quadriceps and hamstrings. They are key for walking, running, and jumping. Here I have made a table. It will be easy for you to revise it. So just you can pause and take a screenshot of this table. So that's it for today. And if you like this lecture, please like and subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you.